everyone.
Hello.
Today in Jaima's cookbook, this is Pradeepna and Jayalakshmi.
And I'm going to stop you and tell that we're making a green chili pickle.
Yeah, and the green chili is from our garden. Yeah, Pradi, you have to tell them what it is.
Okay, you see, we have this much chili, right? We only have 6 or 7 plants and we have 4 times as much chili as this. But obviously, we can't use that many chilies in one pickle, right? Yeah.
Okay, now this green
And
chili.
there's a clipper was plucking it from here, somewhere there.
And this green chili need to be descend like this. It has to be washed and dried before cutting it into finer pieces. Okay, now we will do the dry roasting of the masala. See,
First, we
normally
need to add oil.
for the green chili pickle, the ingredients are the green chili 1 cup. Then you need the gingerly oil, about 4 to 3 teaspoons. Then you need jaggery, salt, and turmeric powder, lemon. Dry roasting, you need the asafoetida. Then you need mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and dhania. Those need to be dry roasted and powdered. Now we will go start making the pickle.
So,
First, we will add about.
are we doing a saute?
No, we have to cook it nicely.
Okay, so I'll just turn it into pressure
Since it's a
cooker.
pickle,
We add
we
lots
need
of oil.
quite a bit of gingerly oil, and let the oil heat.
It just disassembles so nicely. Let me just move it a little bit. If you guys see closely enough, when oil is put under the heat, it creates these weird patterns.
Little bit of mustard,
More mustard.
and
Little bit of turmeric.
turmeric. We add the asafoetida and let that cook. Mustard is popping, and I'm adding the cut chili.
Stop splashing on me, yo. Hey, yo.
And cook it nicely in oil. Now I have to add the salt. The salt you can add in 3 portions. First you add a little bit.
I can
And then
smell so
bit.
much of
And
chili.
after putting the lime, you can add the final salt.
Whoa.
See the chili, I'm cooking with salt and oil so that the
Spiciness.
the spiciness, the hotness of the chili is balanced. And even children can eat because I'm adding lime.
Lime and salt are my
And of
favorite.
course, I'm going to add now
Jaggery.
jaggery.
Lots of jaggery.
Yeah, quite a bit of jaggery.
How
And
come this time
rare.
how come this time you don't liquidify it and purify it?
No, it's just a few pieces and I'm using cleaned ones.
Ah, okay. That's why.
Now you see it's cooked so well and looks also very delicious. So what I'm going to add is the dry roasted ingredients, that is the dhania, the mustard,
the fenugreek.
I already added the asafoetida. So I'm just adding this powder and mixing it nicely.
Editing is such a cool thing.
Yeah, and I'm going to add the lime. You can squeeze the lime, right?
Yay!
Yeah.
Now I can steal some juice.
It is just enough for the pickle, so you just put it there. I'm holding. Yeah.
Squeeze.
Nicely.
I am ultra strong and I'll squeeze all the juice
Yeah.
out of this.
Yeah.
One done. Yeah.
Mm.
Very dangerous.
Open
thing.
it this way.
Yes. And then we put the juice one flatward and use the force to squeeze the juice and pulp out.
Closer, so that it doesn't spill. Yeah.
Splatter.
Yeah. Just open, I remove the thing. Yes.
The
And
rim.
I'll put it for you. Yeah.
One more thing,
Yeah.
the
Good.
people use these lemon also to make zest, which could also be useful.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
it's slightly bitter.
the rind is always good in the lime family.
But it's always bitter. I don't really like bitter taste though. But people, you guys can try it. But lemon juice is the tastiest juice. I eat it with salt.
So now I have added juice of 2 lemon, and it is
Now it
just
looks like it's floating in lemon juice.
yeah. It has to have that much, and I'm just adding the
Salt.
final bit of salt because the salt I have mentioned I have divided into 3 parts.
And that's
I
it.
have added 2 parts already, and this is the 3rd part. Now this can be bottled and used. Yummy pickle and chili from our garden. Yeah, Brady. Now what do you want to tell them? I'll put it in the bottle.
Let me just bring the bottle up.
Yeah, I'll put it.
Okay, so yeah, all these chilies are there, right? Just look at it. You can see the amount of lemon juice somehow. Interesting. Have you ever tried making different pickles, like non-chili pickles, like lemon pickles and all?
Yeah, Brady. The pickles are very many.
Hmm.
This is our innovative dish, and actually, this is my daughter's recipe.
Oh.
She just saw the green chili in our garden,
She's
inspired,
hiding somewhere here.
and she
you
made
guys
this
will
pickle.
never find.
And I learned the recipe from her.
Now it's
Now your
turned.
pickle is ready.
Now it's turned into Abhirambika's cookbook.
The pickle alone.
Yes,
Yeah.
this recipe.
Yes.
Lots and lots of pickle. I'll add it.
No, I love it.
Okay.
It needs to be soaked for about 2-3 days, and even to eat directly it's interesting, but I'm not going to give Pradi to taste now because it's very fresh and maybe
Very
very
spicy.
spicy.
Spicy. I wonder whether it'll be sour.
Yeah.
There we go. 2 bottles of pickle with lots of excess.
Yes. Now your pickle is ready.
No, it'll be ready in only 2 more days.
Yeah. Tell them what you have to do.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye.
And don't forget to grow your own chilies.
And don't forget to steal some salt and eat it. Bye.